How can create social media photo supported by AI? It's very easy, it's very trending in this video, is very viral in YouTube, in TikTok. We want to show how create this. First you go to Google. After that, click in Google, click and search here Microsoft Bing image creator. Now I write Microsoft space Bing image creator. Now click on image is created with Bing image creator. Click on this sides, waiting for open. Now you can click on creators. Waiting for that. Now you can write some letter or some topics in here, which writes are a topic you can get from video description. Paste that, click on create, waiting for that to prepare our images. Waiting for that. Let's take some time, 1 or 2 minutes. Now open that. Your image is ready to download. Click on images. Now your image is open. Now click on 3 dots, click on downloads. You can get or download every image in your phone, and you can edit in this title in every you want which you are create like boys or girl, and what you want to create images in Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and me create only for WhatsApp. You can change everything. I write here to boy. Now waiting for that. Your image is create with boy. You can get create every images. This is WhatsApp, and you can create Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, in every social media. You can change everything. I write up one boys. Waiting for creating. My image is ready. You can download it. It's our second video. Goodbye.